We experience scarcity in our everyday lives. When people in poverty experience it in their everyday lives, the only thing they can say is,
"Why now?"
This is scarcity in plain English.
let's take a trip to Unlimitedville.
Now there is a boy and a girl that recently got married, and they live in an apartment. They get everything they want or need. They don't have to worry about one thing. Nothing is scarce here. This is the perfect world.
Yay! Now in Finiteville,
Both the husband and the wife want the new iPhone 5. Sadly, when they get there, Apple has signs that say the phones were gone from stock and the couple was sad.
This is the concept of scarcity, when something you want or need is scarce and not within your reach.
because of this, many people have to make difficult decisions between what they want and what they need. That was scarcity in plain English.
Sorry.
Hey, hey, what's the matter with the head, baby?
Okay,
Oh,
1 minute. It's 1 minute for each.
da 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 na 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 da na 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 na.